say you're visiting Seattle and you're a friend of mine. Where am I gonna take you? I still need to do dishes.
Yo! What's up, bro? You finally made it, huh?
Yes, yes. In this?
They put cinnamon, orange essence, some syrup, and of course the beautiful Vivace espresso. They're the ones that made latte art a thing. Pike Place Market. Of course he eats pork.
I make skewers.
You mean skewers?
You always
I love
come
you.
in here like, you know. Well, what's going on?
Just showing him around.
Oh, you gotta
Oh
splash.
my god.
You gotta splash drink.
Why not so good?
Splash, splash.
Splash. Splash me.
Want another one?
Oh my god.
Oh, you want to grill yourself? I got them already ready to go. You want to grill it yourself? Are you guys going home?
I'll grill it myself.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna cook for me?
Yeah.
I'm still waiting.
Where's your grill?
There ain't no grill here. Look, I brought my
You're gonna deep fry them?
my special.
Okay, then we're gonna come tomorrow.
I might have to come back.
Well, will you come early so you can help me cook?
What time?
By myself. Huh? 54 years? Before you were born.
You don't look a day over 21 though.
Oh, okay. What is it? What do you want? What do you want me to cook?
Oh my god. Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Or you ask it maybe the stupid question of the
Put some of the vinegar on everything.
Joe fucking let it go now.
There you go.
Hey,
Hi, girls.
what's
Time to eat here?
what's everyone right over there? Is anyone?
I don't know, just think of something. Akshay getting his name on the fridge right now. Oh, what does it say? Oh, I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna show it.
Okay.
They're not gonna show it, bro.
Wow. His favorite auntie. See, Matt?
It's true. Just don't tell my like 50 actual audience.
Okay, I won't.
This is chef steps, dude. It's fucking rad, right?
Yeah.
The lemongrass skewers. Aren't always on skewers, but
That's smart though, dude. Lemongrass.
oh yeah, great. So you can cast it, and it will stay firm and cold. But since it's a warm preparation, it melts, and the gelatin's just like there for body. Yeah.
Are you cutting it cold or warm? Hot.
That was hot.
Okay.
So there's a couple different ways you can do it. So like,
It's a beauty.
Yeah.
if you can put it back, if you put it back in the oven and roast to try to get color on it, you will get a little bit of that like pull. Like the one for the Hero, that one we just.
Later, Matt.
We used to make knot on the door. No way.
The doors are being the shit, man. And I used to.
Oh shit. Okay.
This is Mark. He's been cooking in the industry for over 35 years, and this guy has taught me so much. That is all.
That's right. We used to slap the knot on there. I forgot about that. That's the wood fire grill, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Chef Nate here.
That's a pleasure. All right.
This is my favorite fucking pot right here. This is still my favorite picture that I took of you right here. This should be part of the vlog.
100%.
Yeah.
It's actually illegal not to put it in the vlogs.
This is.
We're making these guys today. Little mono steel stick tang knives.
So sick.
So these are These are the roughed out blanks. Well, this is what they look like when you glue them up, and then this one's real narrow.
Yeah.
And it all depends on the knife you're doing, right?
Yes.
So, yeah.
And could I ask a question?
Sure.
Look at that's art right there. You don't even want to like.
That's stunning. Yep. Right?
I've never had something like this.
So fucking good.
Cheers, everybody. My bar mitzvah.
Let's go, fucking dicks. Yes.
We're not Indian, and this is not beef.